Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the look I came up with for today's video. It's a nice cranberry look, got a little glitter going on in the middle of the lid. No falsies yet. I have not gotten there. We'll eventually get there. It's just that nice mascara that I used in my last video. Decided to keep that along with a foundation. So update, I did enjoy those, I'm keeping them. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, how I achieved it, all that fun stuff, just keep watching and I will show you. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be going in with the POREfessional Pearl Primer, Benefit. It's kind of like a nice pinky pearl color. You can see that as my mirror falls over. It's like got a nice pearly sheen to it, which actually makes sense since it does say Pearl Primer. Feels very lightweight, which is nice. Oh, it smells really good too. Next I'm just going in with my eye primer. Put that in with your fingers. Next, I'm just going into the LA Palette Nude Intense. It's just like that. So you can see I've had it for a while. I'm just going to take a nice tapered blending brush and I'm going to go into this shade right there. Just putting that color into the crease. Make those little swirling motions, help blend it out. Now I'm just going to be going in with a little bit of a darker shade. That one right there. A little bit of darker, it's like a, what would you call that color? What is it? Well, it's number 9 in this palette. I think it's like, not burgundy. It's like a mauve color. So we're just gonna be putting that into like the very outer V corner. Just to darken it up a little bit. Has anybody gone to see Infinity Wars yet? I'm going to see it tonight and I'm so freaked out of what's going to happen. Just scared from it, like seeing what happens to like my favorite characters. I'd be devastated if anything happens to Spider-Man or Iron Man. After Civil War, I think Iron Man deserves a break, don't you think? He went through too much in that movie, especially towards the end. I think I want a tiny bit, just like the tiniest bit of shimmer into this palette. I'm just not even gonna say this name anymore because I just cannot for the life of me pronounce it for some reason. So it's just this one. I'm just gonna take the gold right there. Oh, I forgot how shimmery this palette is. But anyways, if you've seen Infinity Wars, let me know what you thought of it. Don't spoil it for anybody. But let me know what you thought. If you were shocked by anything, I'm seeing it tonight though. So we'll see what happens with that. So now we're just gonna be curling our lashes. I think in my next video I'm gonna try to put on some false lashes. I don't know though. Freak me out. Oh, I'm just going in with the Voluminous Lash Paradise. I've kept it in my staple of things to use. I really like how fluffy and thorough it is on all my lashes. Gives them a nice laid out look. That's the right word to use. I don't even know if that's the right word to use. Oh well. I'm gonna use it anyways. So now we're gonna move on to the face, now that our primer's all soaked in. So I'm just gonna go in with the Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory, because even though I tanned a little bit, I'm still pale as everything. Don't forget to do under the chin, just so you don't have that foundation line. So I'm just going in with my concealer from Tarte. Side those little suckers, huh? So I'm just gonna pat that out a little bit. I feel like this just kind of helps blend it even more. Just because when I did try using the brush, I would use it like that stippling brush like under my eyes. Kind of was pretty like streaky and wasn't as blended as when you use a beauty blender. But when it comes to like really blending it with your foundation, I just think using a beauty blender is a lot better. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna set that before it creases. Pack it over my entire face. And then while that's setting, I just like to do all my contouring and bronzing and blush work all while it's just soaking in. Make that fish lips face or kissy face, whatever you want to call it. Time to get our blush on. Just using the E.L.F palette. And I'm gonna be going in with that one there. I just have to make like that uncomfortable smile face where you're just like, this is fantastic. I love this. Okay. Our cheeks are nice and pink. I still look really pale on the beach. Chill. Just wipe that powder away. And now we're gonna do our under eyes. That shade that we used in our outer V to go under the eyes. Make sure when you're doing your under eyes, you're connecting it to the outer part, just so it all flows together. Very nicely. Now, since my eyes are kind of drawing the most attention to themselves, I'm just going to be using a nice kind of pinky nude, the Stockholm by NYX. Gives your lips a little, just gives your lips a little bit of an oomph. Now that the face is all done, we're just going to be spraying it with our setting spray, whatever you use for that. Here you go. Here's the finished look. It's nice. It's very simple to do. Still got that little touch of glitter to it, which is always nice to have. Like I said, you can apply a darker lip if you want to make the look more dramatic. Probably burgundy lip would look nice with this, I would think, just because of the like cranberry. That's the color I was thinking of. There you go. Knew I would figure it out eventually. But yeah. Yeah, I guess cranberry lip would look nice if that is your cup of tea. But there you go. Look all done. Hope you enjoyed it. That's all I have for you today. I'm gonna go see the Infinity Wars movie. Probably cry a little bit. We'll find out, who knows. But that is all for me. Let me know down in the comments if you liked the video, if you liked the look, if you wanna use it for yourself. Let me know how your day was, week was, life is going, all that jazz and whatnot. But I'll see you guys. When will I see you guys? I'll see you guys on my next new upload date. I'm gonna keep you on your toes for that. Bye.